It's Casey from Base Life Double XL coming at you with some 3.5-inch kickers. This is the ksc350, the kickers top of the line series, the K series. Let's see here. I'm going to just show these off right here, and then in the next video I'm going to actually hook them up to the Sound Cubed S4-100. Nice little kickers, owner's manual, kicker owner's manual. And the reason I got these to replace my current 3.5-inch Scar Audios that are in the dash is one of the scars are blown, and most of the time these things are only rated anywhere from 20 to 35 watts, everywhere in between 20, 23 watts, 30 watts, 35 is about the highest you see, and these babies are rated 50 each, 50 watts RMS each. They come with their own line connectors and the crimp things. It's gotta be the cutest little speakers in the world. Look at these little guys. It says KSC350 Kicker coaxial speaker 4-ohm, 3.5-inch or 89 millimeter with a 0.5-inch 13 millimeter tweeter, and the model number is 44 KSC 3604. I don't know what the, let me know in the comments below if you know what the first two numbers of kickers mean, because a lot of the components, I mean, they're 41, 43, 44. I don't know what those mean. So anyway, you see these speakers, so they look really nice. They were like, there's a pretty big gap in the price that you can find them for new. I got them for like, I think $39 and something. I mean, but they run as high as 70 something, like a little over 70. So watch who you get these off of. I got them off eBay, or well, I got them in an Amazon Prime bag, but I swore I bought them from eBay, so I'm not sure. But remember to check these out, and in my next video, and I'm gonna make it right here in a few minutes. I'm gonna go out and hook these up, put them on the Sound Cubed amp, and see exactly how they sound, see how good they sound. So make sure that you like, subscribe, share, comment in the bottom. Let me know what else you all want to see. My next video after the one where we play these is going to be, I have the Incriminator Audio 6.5 component set coming. I think it's the IC or I-165, C165. I'm not exactly sure, but I know it's the Incriminator component set, and I'm sure that's going to be badass. Anything Incriminator is pretty bad. I had my truck home this week, or well, for 3 days, but I never did do a demo video of it. But I did a lot of rewiring, and it had to go back to the shop because they didn't do everything properly like they were supposed to. So my stuff was bent up, and my batteries were thrown over on their sides. I mean, it was hectic, but anyway, hopefully we'll get that straightened out. But again, these are nice little speakers. Let's see if I can read it. You'll have some more information. Okay, they're 3.5. They have a 1/2-inch tweeter. Peak power is 100 watts. Continuous power 50. Frequency response is 80 to 20,000 hertz. And I believe that's about it. I think it has a 1-inch voice coil, copper. I'll review that and leave it in the video here in a few minutes where we see how they sound. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what else you all want to see. Again, I'm replacing the scars. Only one of them's blown, so I'll play that too when I take it out. When I get the truck back, I'll make a video take that out, and we'll do them heads up and switch from one speaker to the other speaker back and forth, switching, seeing how they both sound. I think these are pretty heavy on the bass for 3.5s. They're not like overwhelming highs like most 3.5s are. Have the overwhelming highs. They're just too much, too high. I think these are like just a good mellow sound, but good bass from a 3.5. Anyway, Casey signing out from Bass Life XXL. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what else you all want to see, what I can do in the videos. If you have any questions about car audio, I'm not the biggest expert in the world, but I'm sure I can answer your questions and do a video telling you or showing you how to, put speakers in, hook up amps, how to wire speakers to whatever ohm load you want them, battery questions. I mean, pretty much whatever. I mean, car audio, I do it. So y'all can ask whatever you want, and I'll answer your comments. Thanks. Later.